So it is Saturday night and I freshly washed face and, excuse me, I'm chapsticked and moisturized and I'm feeling good and I'm in my new pajamas. But this is the hair. It's so cute. I'm gonna open just one. Yeah, that is gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. It's pretty soft. I mean, obviously there's some shedding because it's just like loose braiding hair, but I think it's a, minus my roots, it's a dead match. So my hair is honey blonde right now, which is why I just don't feel the need to color it again. I'm just gonna let her braid with the dark root. And then I also have this deep wave and honey blonde. And what I actually like about this is actually, to me, this looks more, I mean, everything is on the spectrum, right? Even the color black. One second. Let me grab something. This is an M. Chapoutier dessert wine, 2012. You know what? Let's fix the bonnet. Get a little thumbnail. This is a dead ringer match. Ring, ring, ring. And this took 2 bleachings and a color done by myself. And then this is how much my hair has grown out since the bleaching, which was only like maybe a couple months ago. So I love that. I love that we have a perfect match. We are that girl. Oh, this is what I was saying. I wasn't saying. Sorry. I think I'm gonna have her weave. I think I'm gonna bring a couple bundles of this 613. This is 26 inches, which I also think this is 26 inches. Yeah. So they're both 26 inches. I want I want long hair. And so I think I'm gonna bring 2 bundles of this. She's gonna look at me like, girl, what's going on? This is truly 613. Like, this is no joke, 613. This is the bundle of 18-inch water wave. And this is supposed to be honey blonde as well. So this looks a little more blondie versus this to me. But I think, I don't know, I have this vision in my head where this could be a killer combo. And I could be so wrong and I could hate my hair and that's gonna piss me off. But like, I don't know why, but something is telling me that this is going to slay together, guys. So this is obviously the boho hair because I'm getting boho braids, but this would be the hair for the braiding, and I just think this would be so cute, like a mixture, like a, it's giving me Elsa and Anna Frozen vibes. So I'm really about this. I hope my hairstylist is. Plus, I don't know, I might get footage of my hair appointment. It's kind of one of those things because, and I'll tell you why. Because I go to her home and she's got small children and she's just like, you know, her husband works from home. She works from home, obviously. And so I just like, it's like a line I don't want to cross. I took some footage once in her house and I did it like secretly and I felt weird about it after. I was just like, oh, when I watched it back, I was like, oh, like, not like either I wish I didn't do that or I don't know. I wish I would have just asked. But anywho's, so that's what's up with my hair. That's gonna be the next update you see. But what I'm gonna do in the interim is that platinum gold Rina hair wig that I have. I'm gonna color it honey blonde. Right now it's a 613 wig, so it's like this. And I work like this and I love it. I thought it was giving like what's that? Lord of the Rings? Like, do I want to just... I've always wanted to try to do the water dyeing it, where you like put it in like a bucket of water and... Hi, baby.
We're going to Costco dinner. Costco, motherfucker.
Hey, can you give me that Kinder bar that's up there by that green thing?
Yeah, okay. Well, I have these. I have some of these. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, Chris. Well, I love you. Okay. Love. Bye-bye. How about so?
Oh, baby.
I don't do pain down here. Got down.
But why is it damn bad? How was your driving lesson?
Oh, I wish you could come, because that would have been cool.
I know, baby, but I just wanted to come stay home and drink some wine.
So, you came down here. We back. You gonna come up and have a glass of wine with Tater?
I doubt it.
You don't.
All right. Hi, babes. Welcome back. So we're about to color this unit, and I don't really know how it's gonna go. I've only ever colored a unit dark colors. I've never colored such a light unit, and this is, like I said, this was like 23 inches of 613. As you can kind of see a little bit better here, there's a lot of layers to it. There's browns, kind of golds, whatever, a lot of shades. I
Don't just eat that.
I'm terrified.
Sorry about that. I am going to be coloring it, like I said, this Cream of Nature Honey Blonde, because I need an in-between unit and I don't really want to go back to the Platinum Blonde. So I have like a hair braiding appointment in a couple of days, but I need an in-betweener because I love my natural hair in a sense that like I've learned to care for it, but I don't love my natural hair in a sense where it's just like a lot of work, and it's just honestly easier for me to grow it, since that's my priority right now, is getting it to the blonde I want it to be and retaining length. I just have to keep it in protective styles to get that, you know? So anyways, guys, we are going to be coloring this unit today. I got my little kit, which I've shown before, which had like all of my supplies in it from Amazon, so I'll just link that down below.
about Pilates, y'all. Like, it's an amazing workout, but help with an instructor. Help with an instructor. And I've been a Pilates girl for like a year and a half now. I started summer 2022. So now we're gonna see go hit the ground running, run these errands. First stop, I'm thinking the Jamaican grocery store. Second stop, regular grocery store. Third stop, Best Buy. So I feel like Best Buy I'll be in and out. Or should I